Well, it's Friday evening, 6 o'clock, and time to go to the Trickin' Racy car show at Clackamette Park. So, a little unusual to have an evening car show, but should be interesting. And then we'll be coming home and having some lobsters for dinner. And here's another website that advertising the same car show. So not as fancy as the other one, but maybe a little more legible. Alrighty, bye. Well, as long as we're using the computer here, this is where we'll be going. Clackamette Park, right on the river. And about 20 minutes away, depending on traffic. Well, we are on our way to the car show. Yeah, it's about, I don't know, 6:45, still a lot of daylight. But we had to stop and get some gas, which is right next door to the old Bomber gas station. Well, take some pictures. Boy, look at the birds on that. And as I was walking over, one was crawling out of the tail. So it's got to be a mess in there, unfortunately. Interesting. And I did meet the owner, Art Lacey, many years ago. Well, it looks like the park is completely filled with cars and people. So let's go look at some of the cars. And an older Fiat. Interesting. That is nice. A custom liner. Or Victoria. Okay, 54. Beautiful. Earth Angel, huh? Cool. I don't know if that fits the definition of rat rod or not. Semi. Quasi. A Subaru. What if that has the two-cycle engine? And for only $8,000, I could own a full race VW, whatever. Wow. It's a Roadster, a red one. I love it. That is beautiful.
What is it?
A third should be a 31, I'm thinking. With a, I don't know whose panel that would be.
Well, there's this thing in there right now.
On my sunlight there. It is a 52, and that's the one that I bought. That's why I recognized it, I guess. Yeah.
It doesn't have the lines. I like these sexy curvy lines, and his is all rectangular.
Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, I had one of these. Mine was a 68. Let's see what this one is. Well, this one is a 69. I missed it by a year. It's a really nice place for a car show like this, right by the Willamette River. And a boat launch, people out there fishing, having a good time. 1940 Chevy pickup, and that is a beauty. Much prettier than a 41. Highboy 32 Corvette 40 Ford Coupe. I doubt that I can get the color on this, but it is beautiful. A polychromatic maroon. It's a pretty 39. Yeah, you're apt to see anything
maybe
here.
Why we'll like it.
You'll like it.
Yeah.
So, what year would you say that is? I'd say, it says 27 on the plate, but I don't know. Really nicely finished Mustang. Picture this at the Jim Dandy show. That's really something to see, isn't it? Yeah, look at the microwave.
I see that.
Can you believe that?
Yeah, I can believe it. Look at the toilet. Look at the roll of paper towel holder up on the roof.
Looking across the way there, the Model T Roadster pickup. He tows that trailer with a 37, a two-door.
You out in an old parking lot.
Everybody's in black here, huh? All the cars are in black. Well, there's all sorts of year models here, but I'm still attracted to the old ones. 32 coupe. It says it's a 48. I was going to say it was pre-war from the rear. Yeah.
Did you win anything?
What is it? Ford.
Did you win anything?
Cross Street needs to go to the
Yeah. Here's one that caught my eye. Beautiful. Two cars I've always wanted. Right there, 36 Phaeton and the XK 120. I'd settle for 140. Just give me a chance. There's another highboy and a track roadster on the other side. Sort of like a would have been a track roadster. Now here's the way to this is the way to bring your car to the car show, with your 37 Chevy truck and your 37 Chevy coupe. The ever loving 35 coupe, 3-window coupe, beautiful. El Camino with a really nice paint job. An elderly Packard, approximately a 37 maybe. My mistake, it's a 40. I don't know my Packards that well. Well, all years are accepted at this show, but that is really nice. Look at that engine. Wow. Yeah, look on top of the air cleaner.
Yeah, I see the eggs.
Eggs and bacon.
All right.
Except I just redid one of them.
Panama red.
Beautiful color.
Hmm?
It's a deep purple. The one right beside it's beautiful too. That's another one of those roadsters.
Well, I'm rapidly running out of battery. The original battery comes with the cameras. They're good for not much. And when I gotta get home, we're having lobster. And right now that lobster is calling me home. Right? So unfortunately, we're only gonna get to take pictures of half of the cars here. We'll just run it until the battery runs dead. Well, we got half a dozen rows that we're not going to get to. 28 Phaeton, just what I always wanted. Yep. Hey, we're still running on battery here. 32 highboy. Well, unfortunately, my replacement battery has not arrived, so we're going to be shut down here at any second. I just saw something I have to go over and take some pictures of. Yep. We saw this at the first show at the Eastport Shopping Center, or whatever it was, and it was without the top. It's all wood. A 32, it's all wood. And took a bunch of still pictures, but it's incredible. The radiator, the flathead is false. There's a Chevy engine under that. The body and the wood, the doors, the panels, the steering wheel, all handmade wood. Well, it's time to blow this joint and get home and cook up those lobsters. Sayonara. All right, one more shot. No show to be complete without a Willie's.